Our music notebook covers and spine inserts will help you stay organized and use the digital music that you already have much more efficiently. With covers and spine inserts for our major Music Kids Love series, you can print a copy of the music that you have, place them in a notebook, and then just pull it from your shelf at the lesson. When you use a piece, simply put a Post-it note with the name of the piece in the notebook and replace your missing pieces once a month. That way, all of your music is ready to go at every lesson and you don't forget what digital music you have. The spine inserts are specially designed with icons that line up visually with each other and will eliminate guesswork about where anything is. Plus, since it's studio licensed, you can print a copy for any of your students, since they may have their own special notebook for Little Fuzzies, Beautiful Places, or other series. Now you can stay organized and make your music bookshelf look beautiful with the notebook covers and spine inserts available as a download from ComposeCreate.com.